Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First off, before I start getting into this video, I did want to thank all of the new subscribers that I have on my channel now. There's about 10 of you, and that's kind of a big thing for me. In my last video, I mentioned that I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of September, so now we're at 25. I am 25% there. If anyone else out there wants to help me reach this goal, feel free to click that subscribe button down below. I'd really appreciate it. The other thing that I was really happy about with my last video, which was a 2018 Nordstrom anniversary sale haul, which I will link up in the cards and also down in the description box below, is that I got, as of today is Wednesday, I have over 500 views on that video, which is a huge number for me. If you don't already know, this channel is brand new, so I would actually consider this some of my big milestones. I know it might not sound like much to others, but it means a lot to me, so thank you very much. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Lush Shampoo Bars. I recently got these maybe about 2 or 3 weeks ago, so I've been testing them out. I wanted to make sure I got a good amount of time to try them before I start talking about them. So in this video, I'll be talking about my thoughts about these shampoo bars, and I'll also let you know how I use them. I actually saw these shampoo bars a few years ago when I was shopping in Lush. I think because it was a new concept to me, I was a little bit confused about how to use it and how it works. But recently I've been hearing a lot more about shampoo bars, and I really wanted to give these a try. So I went over to my local Lush store and I talked with one of the sales associates that were there. She asked me about some of my hair concerns, and I let her know that I have oily hair. I also have color treated hair. I know you're looking at me and I am due for a haircut and I need to color my roots, which I'm going to be doing in a couple of weeks. But I let her know all of these things, and she gave me a couple of recommendations for shampoo bars to try. Another reason why I was interested in trying these shampoo bars is because I heard that they last for 80 uses, which could definitely help you cut down on the amount of shampoo bottles or conditioner bottles that you might go through on a regular basis. Recently, there's been a lot more awareness around going green and trying to cut down on waste, and that's one of the things that I'm trying to do. I know that I have a lot of work to do on that, and I'm not claiming to be an expert on this topic at all, but where I can find ways that work for me, I definitely want to give those things a try. So I'll go ahead and insert some close-up shots on these shampoo bars that I purchased. So the first bar that we have here is Honey, I Washed My Hair. This one is supposed to be hydrating and not pull the color from your hair if you have color treated hair. The sales associate told me that Honey is very moisturizing and I could probably go without using a conditioner. She told me that I probably could skip a day between washes and use dry shampoo on the days that I wasn't washing my hair. The second bar that I purchased is called the Komba, if I'm saying that correctly. It was suggested that I could go back and forth between the Honey, I Washed My Hair and this one if I felt like I couldn't go a day without washing my hair. Right now it's about 6:30 p.m. I washed my hair last night before I went to sleep. I typically air dry my hair, which is what I did last night, and I usually don't style my hair on a regular basis. So basically this is me after a full day of work. I do work in an air-conditioned office, but I did walk around a little bit outside today. I do live in a humid tropical climate, which normally I'm not able to go even a day without washing my hair. I don't know if anyone else out there feels like this about their hair, but my roots get really oily on a day-to-day basis, and dry shampoo normally doesn't solve my problems. In fact, whenever I use dry shampoo, it just feels like there's a bunch of gunk in my hair, and I've heard that it takes some time to get used to. So if anyone out there has dry shampoo recommendations for me, I'd really appreciate it because it is something that I want to try. So far I've tried a couple, and to be honest with you, if I don't wash my hair for about 2 days, even after putting dry shampoo in my hair, I don't know why this happens to me or if it happens to anyone else, but my scalp actually starts to hurt. That's basically my trigger that I need to wash my hair, and after I wash my hair it feels so much better. It doesn't hurt anymore. It's kind of like an aching feeling, and I feel like it happens mostly like in the back here or somewhere around like where I part my hair. Like if I were to switch my part halfway through the day and my hair was really oily, then my scalp would hurt. So maybe it's just me, but I would say on a normal basis, if I washed my hair the night before and throughout the next day, my hair won't visibly look oily, but if I wait one whole other day, then it will start to. I would say if your hair is similar to mine, you probably couldn't skip a day if you're washing your hair with either of these. So as you can see, not only did I purchase the shampoo, I also purchased the Lush tin, and this is just one tin that I separated, and I've been putting each of my soaps in the lid and the bottom of the container. While I was at the store, someone else who happened to be working there suggested that I get their square tin because it's a little bit easier to remove the shampoo from it while you've been using it. And for the purpose of this video and me trying it out for the first time, I thought that this was the tin that was made for this product. I should go ahead and try using the shampoo with this tin and see how it goes. A couple of things that I want to mention to anyone who's looking to try these shampoos. If you store your shampoo in the lid part, it's really hard to get the soap out of the tin when you're already in the shower. So if you're going to use one of these, I would say while it's dry, pop it out and then maybe just place it on here before you take the tin into the shower with you. Do not put it under direct water or anything like that, because I have the hardest time removing this when I'm already in the shower. Sorry guys, something happened with my camera, so I just wanted to come back on and tell you a little bit more about how I actually use the shampoo bars. So basically what I do once I'm in the shower and my hair is wet, I'll rub the bar around on the top of my head and also down the sides of my head, and that pretty much gives me a good lather once I start like working it into my hair. I've also tried rubbing the soap bar in my hands and then trying to use whatever's on my hands in my hair, but that doesn't seem to work as much. I don't actually think I get enough of the product onto my hands to wash my hair that way, so I would recommend using the bar and rubbing it directly onto your hair. This is actually what my hair looks like right after I wash it and blow dry my hair. I didn't use a round brush or anything like that. This is me just using the blow dryer and like drying my hair off. My hair naturally has a very slight wave to it. I know it looks pretty straight on camera right now. I feel like it gets the straightest when I blow dry my hair like this without using a flat iron or anything like that. There are times where I will air dry my hair and my hair will come out pretty straight as well. I did also want to make a quick mention that rinsing the shampoo out of your hair is also pretty easy. For me personally, I feel like this shampoo rinses out a lot faster than the other shampoos that I've used. I was given a couple of other samples to try. One was called Jungle, which is a solid conditioner. I did try to use this product after washing my hair with either of the shampoos, and honestly I didn't feel like it really did anything. I took a lot of time trying to use the solid conditioner and I rubbed it into my hair quite a bit. Honestly, it felt like I had absolutely no product or conditioner in my hair whatsoever when I rinsed it out, but I'm not sure if that just happened to be the particular sample that I received. Another conditioning product that I got a sample of as well was called R&B, and it's a leave-in conditioner. So it was suggested that after I wash my hair with the shampoo, that I put R&B through the middle half towards the ends of my hair, and that would work as a conditioner. Well, I thought that this leave-in conditioner worked fine. I did find that it was very heavily scented. It had a very flowery, perfumey smell that bothered me, which is the only reason why I decided not to use it after trying it twice. The last sample I got is called No Drought, and it's a dry shampoo. I actually tried to use this right before filming this video. This is very different from any other dry shampoo that I've ever used before. It's a loose powder in this container right here, so it's a little bit hard to make sure you like neatly get it into your hair, and it also is white in color. So for me, I actually have naturally black hair, as you can see, because I need to dye my roots, so it showed up quite a bit, but I do feel like after I rubbed it into my hair, the color went away, and after that I couldn't even tell that I had put any product into my hair. However, feeling my hair right now, I would say I don't think it did a lot for me as far as absorbing oil or anything like that. I kind of put it around the top of my head right here, and I did also work it into the sides of my hair, but like I said, I have terrible luck with dry shampoos and I can never really find one that works. I think it's a little bit too soon to tell if my scalp will start to hurt after using this product, but if it does happen, then I will give you guys an update. These shampoo bars are supposed to last about 80 uses. I am going to be keeping tally of all the times that I've used it to see if I reached that 80 mark, and whenever I happen to use up the bars, if I have another empties video coming up, then I will definitely include it there. I do want to try a couple of other shampoo bars from the Lush store because they have such a wide variety of them actually. I'm not sure if this is something that will completely replace any other shampoo that I've used. There are some other hair products that I do want to try, but I do like the idea of using a shampoo bar because I can try to cut down on my waste a little bit without using shampoo containers all the time. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button down below. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I will put a little link right here so you can click on and subscribe, or if you want to see my last video, I will link it on this side of the screen. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!